Welcome to our tutorial on recursion. In this first section, we'll introduce the concept of recursion and explain how it works in programming. Recursion occurs when a function calls itself in order to solve a problem. This technique is particularly useful for tasks that can be divided into similar subtasks. In this section, let's explore how to implement a recursive function by solving the classic problem of calculating the factorial of a number. The factorial of a number n, denoted as n, is the product of all positive integers less than or equal to n. The base case is when n equals 0, and the factorial of 0 is 1. Now, let's discuss the importance of the base case in recursion. The base case provides a stopping condition for the recursion, preventing infinite loops and Stack Overflow errors. Without a base case, the recursive function would continue calling itself indefinitely.